Hello everyone, welcome to Avon and Lifestyle. I'm so excited to be here today. I'm so excited that I finally made this video. This video is typically showing you how I make my tortilla wraps. Yeah. I'm so excited, guys. So this is a very easy recipe, and it's one recipe, or it's one meal that you can take along with you wherever you're going to. Just wrap it in a foil paper, put it in a Ziploc bag or whatever. Just take it along with you wherever you're going to. It's easy to squeeze in your bag, and it's perfect for breakfast and perfect for lunch, meal for any time of the day. And it's really easy, and I'm sure it's pretty much ingredients that you already have in your kitchen, and it will not stress you at all. So guys, this is it. So just make sure you melt a little bit of butter and throw in your sliced onions and garlic, and add a pinch of salt and sprinkle in some curry powder, and just stir that in and make sure it simmers well and it's all mixed together. Guys, next you want to add your chicken breast, already washed of course, and slice into long stripes. So just add it in and mix everything all together. I like to add black pepper to mine because I don't know, it gives it this sort of this aroma that it gives it, this taste that it gives it is different. Basically, when you add black pepper to any meal at all, that it works with. So yeah, just let this simmer in and let it be well cooked, but make sure you give it a good stir just so that everything is well mixed in together. So at this point I added some barbecue powder, just so I wanted a sort of a pseudo grilled taste and appearance for the chicken. I did this after my pan was almost dried, just so that I can easily toss it about and toast my chicken with the onions and the very little oil that's in the pan. So I did this for a couple seconds and really just tossed it about, and just so it doesn't get burnt and all the sides are evenly toasted. this is cooking. It's time for the verse of the day. Psalm 118 verse 5. I called upon the Lord in distress. The Lord answered me and set me in high places. Hallelujah. So while this is cooking, remember to add your garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning cubes or powder, and whatever other seasoning of your choice, and stir it. Next, you want to add your already chopped tomatoes and red kidney beans and mix everything well and allow to cook.
Is this all that you dreamed it'd be? Ending up here, ending up with me. Well, you could have gone anywhere, been anyone. Well, you stole my heart like a thief on the run. Taking chances, but you're taking a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Dream in color, you're black and white. And I prefer the country to your city lights. But we made our bed and it feels just right.
So guys, at this point, some people really just like to just fold it and eat it straight like that without tossing it in a pan. But I do like some crunchy feel to the outside of the tortilla, so I like to wrap it once or make a double layer, and pretty much you don't need any extra skill. Just try and fold it in as good or as well as you can, and just toss it in the pan and make sure the heat gets to all the surfaces of the tortilla, and make sure you seal in the end just so that the content doesn't spill out. And that's it, guys. You're good to go. Yeah. Hey guys, just take a look at this amazing goodness. See how yummy it looks. Imagine how it will taste so crunchy on the outside and yet so moist and yummy on the inside. Guys, imagine. Look at this beauty, guys. So guys, if you are yet to visit my channel, please do so. I have so many other amazing videos for all age groups that you can benefit from for the full family, for mom, for dad, for the kids, for anybody. Guys, please, if you benefited from this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are yet to. Thank you, guys.